Abby Malone, and this is Invest Insights, where we introduce you to thought leaders who are shaping our communities today. In today's episode, I'm speaking with Bruce Ford, the president of the East Region for Transwestern. Bruce, Transwestern completed close to $250 million in investment sales across the Southeast region in the U.S. since the beginning of 2020. To what do you attribute the success of the organization despite the challenges that have been presented by this pandemic?
In good times and in challenging times, we pride ourselves at Transwestern on working together to provide extraordinary service to clients. This is even more important during periods of upheaval like we're experiencing this year, because our clients know the risks of making the wrong decision or of making no decision at all. As the effects of COVID were first being felt, our investment sales team contacted clients to discuss their needs, concerns, and opportunities. They also worked with our research team to offer clients up-to-the-minute intelligence on opportunities in the market and present them for action, often before property might even be on the market for sale. Our team really shines during challenging times, and our clients appreciate our hard work.
While much uncertainty remains surrounding the future of the long-term effects on the commercial real estate sector, how confident are you in the commercial real estate market's ability to withstand the ongoing challenges?
I'm very confident the commercial real estate market will bounce back, but the timing really depends on the region and the property type. So the industrial market, for example, never really dipped. I mean, quite frankly, that area of the market has continued to accelerate. Middle of the apartment market, meaning not luxury, not distressed, is already showing signs of bouncing back as renters who may have considered buying a home decide that now may not just be the right time. The office market has a lot of question marks around it, particularly with companies trying to navigate when and how to return to the office. But the fundamentals are sound, and we expect to see that market bounce back in the next year as we gain more visibility to the virus and the economy. There are three foundational principles that have not and will not change. First is culture, and true culture is built by authentic interaction of employees in a location where you can promote team building and cohesiveness. The second being collaboration. Working in tandem with colleagues leads to synergy and increased production. And last is communication. The organic nature, in-person communication, whether it be a water cooler conversation, a hallway meeting, a pop-in, contributes to innovation, in turn drives growth. And I would add that to grow a company, people need to be together to drive the results.
Stemming from the pandemic, what significant changes over the last few months have you seen in clients' wants and needs as it pertains to Transwestern services?
Yeah, my goodness, clients' wants and needs have changed so greatly this year with the need for actionable intelligence and responsive service. We're fortunate that these are our strong suits, and clients appreciate our attention to detail, our responsiveness, and our ability to place opportunities in front of them proactively.
The estimated second quarter total for U.S. e-commerce sales was over $200 billion, which has led to a number of e-commerce-based organizations expanding their physical footprints. How has this have been a benefit to Transwestern's business, and how is the company capitalizing off of this e-commerce boom?
Sure. Yeah, Abby, it's a great question. So e-commerce saw its growth rate accelerate this year as more people ever worked from home and ordered everything from office supplies to groceries to keep their households running. We have been watching this closely, and in many of our markets, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Northern Virginia, South Florida, we've actively engaged in the development and leasing of space to meet this need from massive regional distribution centers to last mile and urban infill locations. Further, I'd like to add that Transwestern Development Company had a logistics focus prior to the pandemic. Many of the projects that were underway have been leased by e-commerce users. That pipeline continues to grow, and our investor partners are pleased with the opportunities we are providing.
They say that crisis breeds opportunity. So I'd be curious what your thoughts are about this current crisis and what innovations and opportunities you see transpiring for the future.
Yeah. As I mentioned, Transwestern really shines during periods of uncertainty because we have a team of excellent people who work hard to provide the insights and services that clients value most highly when the decisions they face are not as simple as they might in other times. This has strengthened our relationship with our clients, and we're proud to be a trusted advisor to many of the major real estate investors around the world. And further, as a privately held firm, we have a long-term focus. able to find opportunities for growth and move quickly to deepen our service offerings and competencies in a stressed market. As we move forward, the ties that we have will enable us to source more opportunities for clients in the knowledge that we know what they're looking for and what matters most to their principals.
To say that 2020 has been challenging, I think, is an understatement. And I have been speaking to many CEOs over the past number of weeks about this experience. And so my final question to you is, what have these number of months taught you about resilience?
Yeah, I would agree with everything you said, Abby. It's been quite a year, but over the past few months, every person on our team has shown me something about resilience. We made the transition to meeting and working remotely seamlessly like so many companies did. And even while juggling childcare and other personal needs, our team members stepped up in every way possible, putting clients first and ensuring the people we work for experienced no loss in service, and in many cases, a higher level of service, because we knew that that was what was needed at the time. From property managers to our executive team, the past 6 months have reminded me that we truly have the best organization and the finest team we could ask for. There's plenty of resilience out there, no doubt about it.
Well, thank you again. That was Bruce Ford, the president of the East Region for Transwestern. My name is Abby Maloney, and you've been watching Invest Insights. Thanks for tuning in.
Hey everyone, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can stay up to date on the latest business trends from our knowledgeable experts. Be sure to check out the description below for more information on the segment you just watched. Thanks for tuning in.